Welcome back to the garage.
Today we're going to show you how to turn this free pallet wood
into some awesome jack-o'-lanterns. We started off the project by planing all of our pieces of pallet wood down. We planed them to 5/8 thickness. Then we took them over to the table saw and kind of straightened out those edges. And then we took it over to the chop saw to cut all of our pieces up. And we'll have the full cut list at the end of the video if you guys want to follow along. Made it real easy setting up a stop block so we can cut all of our pieces to the same length.
All right, now we're going to select the best piece for our front side. Don't want any big knots and stuff. We're going to be cutting out our jack-o'-lantern faces on it, so you don't want to cut any knots and stuff like that. But this one looks really good. Nice clean face. That should do nice. Let's see. No, naughty. There we go.
I'm not the expertise in this table saw part, so this is what I'm doing.
What? Come on. Okay, now it's time to cut some dados in our side pieces. So if you take a look at this one's already done. We have a nice dado right there, and our back piece is going to go right in it. Because the idea is this will slide out up and down so you can put your little tea light, candle, flashlight, whatever kind of lighting you're going to put into the inside of the jack-o'-lantern. So on the back of each piece, side piece, we're going to cut a nice little dado. We're going to show you how to do it with just a regular saw blade. It's going to take multiple passes, but you'll get a nice dado that you can You want it a little bit loose so that way this back piece can slide up and down. As you can see, we achieved that just right. Oh, it's close.
I build stuff, I don't draw, guys.
Yeah, I think we got to go back to kindergarten.
Kindergarten? All right,
well, this will do. We're going to now cut these out.
And we're going to be using our jigsaw to cut these faces out, so we want to make sure we have a nice pre-drilled hole in each part of our face. Then we went ahead and cut out some pieces that are going to be for the base and the top. Did the same thing here, set up a stop block at our right measurement. Made it nice and easy to cut all those pieces up real quick. And we went ahead and shaved off a little 1.5 inch piece, and that's going to be for the back sliding part of the jack-o'-lantern. And with all the pieces cut up, we went ahead and started to assemble the jack-o'-lanterns. We went ahead and used some wood glue and some brad nails in every single joint. Make it nice and sturdy. Glue in the middle here.
It works. Nice. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to make a little hanger or a handle out of this 1/8 inch wire. So we're going to drill a couple of 1/8 inch holes right there in the middle of this top. Is that right? So. Boom. Nice little handle. There you go. All right, now we're going to char this baby, bring out some of that grain and make it look really nice. There's that label. Now it's time to put a candle in our lanterns. Wait, don't use a candle. You're gonna burn this thing up. Use these little tea lights, battery operated, that we got on Amazon. We'll put a link below in the description. Nice and easy, just flick it on. There we go. And we made it real easy to put this candle in. This back lifts up, puts it right up. There you go. Real spooky. And there you have it, another spooky project in the books.
This was an awesome, easy, fast project, you guys. Free pallet wood, just had to buy the paint and some nails for the nail gun.
I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a try, and we'll see you next time.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, let's watch this. See.